Radha Krishna, justified in distance, glorified in love.
तो देखो यहाँ प्रैक्टिकल में भी दो माताएं हैं उस परम ब्रह्म की, जिसमें तपने की भी ताकत है, तपस्या की, आत्म की स्थिति में रहने की.
Are they or not? Yes. So look, here also there are two mothers of that Param Brahma in practice who have the power to be self-sacrificing, of doing tapasya, of staying in the soul conscious stage as well.
और फिर?
And then?
तपना का ज्यादा काम ज्यादा तपस्वी पुरुष बनते हैं कि स्त्री चोला बनता है.
Do the males perform the task of self-sacrificing more? Do they become more tapasvi, meaning ascetic, or the female body?
बड़ी तपस्या कौन करता है?
Who does greater tapasya? Student replies, yes.
जो ज्यादा तपती है आत्मा वो है आदम की आत्मा.
The soul that sacrifices itself more is the soul of Adam.
आत्मिक स्टेज में सबसे जास्ती रहती है या ताप्ती नदी के मुकाबले कम रहती है?
Does it stay in the soul conscious stage the most, or does it stay lesser compared to the river Tapti, name of a river that flows towards the west?
ताप्ती माने स्त्री चोला या पुरुष चोला?
Does Tapti mean a female body or a male body?
कौन हुई ताप्ती?
Who is Tapti?
बिचारी बहुत तपती है?
The poor one sacrifices herself a lot.
कौन?
Who?
है? जब किसी की याद आती है और वो पास में नहीं होता है, वियोगी है, योगी नहीं है, जुड़ा हुआ नहीं है.
When you remember someone and he isn't close to you, he is viyogi, meaning the one in the sorrow of separation, not a yogi. He isn't connected.
तो वियोगी को याद आती है कि नहीं?
So, does the viyogi remember that person or not?
है? वियोगी होगा पहला कवि, हा से उपजा होगा ज्ञान, निकल कर नैनों से चुपचाप वही होगी कविता अनजान.
The first poet would have been a viyogi. The knowledge would have come out from his moans, and the unknown poem would have flowed from the eyes quietly.
हुआ कि नहीं पहला कवि?
Is he the first poet or not?
है?
Student replies, yes.
तो वो पहला कवि वो माता है जो याद करती है और वो प्राप्त तो नहीं होता है.
So, the first poet is the mother who remembers him but doesn't find him.
होता है?
Does she?
जो राधा है वो संगमी कृष्ण के वियोग में रहती है कि मिलते ही सदाकाल की योगिनी बन जाती, लक्ष्मी पांव पकड़ के बैठ जाती.
Does Radha stay separated from the confluence age Krishna, or does Lakshmi become yogini forever, sits holding his feet as soon as she meets him?
पांव पकड़ के बैठ जाती? नहीं.
Does she sit holding his feet? No.
जब पांव पकड़ के बुद्ध रूपी पांव को पकड़ के बैठ जाती है तब तो वो शादीशुदा हो गई ना.
When she sits holding his feet, his intellect-like feet, she is married, isn't she?
व्याहता हो गई ना.
She is wedded, isn't she?
तो कंबाइंड हो गई.
So she combined.
कंबाइंड हो गई तब ही विष्णु कहा जाता है.
When she is combined, it is only then that they are called Vishnu.